Good day, my name is James and I am the head coach at PCMA, Property Conversion Mastery Academy. The frameworks I'm sharing today, including the complete contractor command system with templates, scorecards, and implementation guides, are available free inside our Hidden Wealth Code course. Enroll for free and book your seat in PCMA. Get all these tools for free. A £500,000 cost overrun, 4 weeks behind schedule. The Manchester Railway Exchange conversion project was hemorrhaging money and on the brink of collapse. The client was ready to pull the plug. Then one conversation changed everything. 3 days later, the M&E crisis that had paralyzed the entire build was resolved. The project was saved, delivered on time, and hit target profitability. What made the difference? Not better contractors, not more money, but a complete transformation in how teams communicate and collaborate. I'm from PCMA, Property Conversion Mastery Academy, and we've built our reputation on 3 unshakable pillars. First, done-for-you implementation. When our fellows and ambassadors need results, we don't just teach, we execute professionally on their behalf with guaranteed outcomes. Second, comprehensive coaching and tools. We provide the complete curriculum, advanced systems, and performance frameworks that turn ambitious professionals into elite developers. Third, peak performance integration. We're the only academy that fuses neuroscience-backed psychology with hard-nosed property development strategies. This combination has helped our 500-plus elite developers generate over £50 million in profits with an 87% project success rate. Here's the brutal truth about UK property conversions. They're high-risk, low-margin ventures where there's virtually no room for error. Every day of delay destroys value. Every budget overrun pushes profitability toward the danger zone. And here's what most developers don't realize. 87% of project failures aren't caused by technical issues or market conditions. They're caused by team dysfunction, adversarial contractor relationships, constant firefighting, communication breakdowns, the slow, grinding friction of people who should be working together but are instead working against each other. This is the Conversion Conundrum, and it's killing deals across the UK. Here's the brutal truth about UK property. The contractor command system solves this through 4 integrated components. The Alliance framework transforms adversarial relationships into strategic partnerships focused on shared objectives. The 7C system applies high-performance team psychology to construction environments. The performance optimization engine provides measurement tools and early warning systems for proactive intervention. And the Communication Trifecta establishes clear protocols for chain of command, channel discipline, and response cadence. These aren't theoretical concepts. They're battle-tested frameworks that have been proven on hundreds of conversion projects across the UK. The contractor command system solves this through. The Alliance framework represents a fundamental paradigm shift. Traditional procurement focuses on finding the cheapest bid, creating adversarial relationships where contractors and developers are constantly battling over costs and responsibilities. Academic research consistently shows this approach is value destructive. Collaborative approaches like strategic partnering improve project performance by up to 40%. The Alliance framework reframes the relationship as a strategic partnership where all parties share objectives and work toward common goals. Instead of fighting over problems, teams solve them together. Instead of hiding issues, they surface them early. Instead of blame, there's shared accountability. If you're seeing results from these concepts already, you might be a candidate for our fellowship program where we provide done-for-you implementation support with a project completion guarantee. The Hidden Wealth Code course that contains these detailed systems costs nothing for accepted applicants. The 7C system takes elite team psychology and makes it practical for construction environments. Communication ensures shared understanding through clear protocols and active listening. Collaboration fosters cross-trade problem-solving with daily huddles and pre-mortem exercises. Commitment creates shared ownership by linking performance to future opportunities. Competence goes beyond price to rigorous selection and role clarity. Confidence builds psychological safety where team members can raise issues without fear of blame. Creativity rewards innovation and value engineering suggestions. Cohesion develops unified team identity through structured kickoffs and team-building activities. Each C has specific implementation tools and measurement criteria. The performance optimization engine makes team management objective and data-driven. The contractor scorecard establishes KPIs that are reviewed weekly in structured progress meetings. These include schedule performance index, cost performance index, defect rates, safety metrics, and collaboration scores. The live dashboard provides real-time trend analysis, allowing proactive intervention before issues become crises. This isn't about micromanagement, it's about creating transparency and accountability. When everyone can see the metrics, performance improves automatically. Problems are identified and solved early. Teams compete to exceed benchmarks rather than meet minimum standards. The Communication Trifecta eliminates the chaos that kills construction projects. Chain of Command provides a clear visual hierarchy that answers, "Who do I talk to about X?" Channel Discipline prescribes the right medium for each message type. Formal instructions through project management software, urgent issues via direct calls, casual updates through messaging apps. Response, Cadence sets explicit expectations. Urgent issues get 2-hour responses, standard requests get 48-hour turnaround. This eliminates the frustration of chasing answers and creates a predictable, professional rhythm. Combined with digital tools and structured meeting schedules, the trifecta transforms communication from a weakness into a competitive advantage. The Railway Exchange case study shows the stark difference in outcomes. Under the traditional adversarial approach, an M&E installation conflict created a 4-week delay and £500,000 cost increase that pushed the project below viability threshold. Using the Alliance framework, the identical problem was resolved in 3 days with negligible cost impact. The difference wasn't technical expertise. Both scenarios had competent contractors. The difference was the relationship structure and communication protocols. When teams are aligned and collaborative, problems become opportunities for innovation. When they're adversarial, molehills become mountains that can kill entire projects. The complete contractor command system, including every framework, template, scorecard, and implementation guide, is available entirely free inside our Hidden Wealth Code course. This 3-module foundation program costs nothing to join and gives you the same systematic approach that has helped our community generate over £50 million in profits. You'll get instant access to the tools, strategies, and proven processes that can transform your next conversion project. Everything starts with the Hidden Wealth Code, and it's ready for you right now at no cost. Everything you've seen today, the Alliance framework, 7C system, performance engine, communication trifecta, plus all templates and tools, is waiting for you inside the Hidden Wealth Code. This foundational course costs nothing for the applicants. Both require an application process where you'll prove eligibility in a conversation. The system that could transform your next conversion project is available now, but only for those who qualify.